So what tips would you recommend to marketers on how to create videos that convert?
So I think when you think about videos, people think, hey, let's start writing the script and let's create a storyboard and then a video. I think you need to step back and think like how you think for blogs, right? So you got to create video content based on where your customer is in your sales cycle. So let's say if your customer is in, I would broadly divide it into four types, which is top of the funnel, middle, bottom, and post conversion. Top of the funnel is mainly where you are educating your customers. Probably he doesn't know about you. Probably he's problem aware or partially solution aware, and there you do more high quality animation, shorter videos. um, Make sure that that the, that uh, your viewer or your potential customer is interested to learn more about you, because the job of the video at that level is to make sure your customer gets in the middle of the funnel. In the middle and bottom of the funnel, you basically explain more about how you solve the problem, because that point your potential customer is considering or probably evaluating options or thinking how this product or platform fits into my use case. And there you probably have more liberty about timing, so you could have slightly longer form of content, but still it has to be really really catchy and crisp copy. We could do something like demo videos or use case videos, even testimonial kind of videos, which are really popular these days. um, After conversion, this is mostly relevant where you need to train your customers how to use your product. Very relevant for software SaaS kind of industry or B2B tech, where you try to improve the adoption of your product by educating your customers, and that maybe the product and even beyond the product, right? If I'm teaching somebody, if I'm MailChimp, I'm not just teaching how to use MailChimp, but I am teaching you how to become a better email marketer. um, so I think you think about these parameters before you start working on the in on your video projects.